feels so sweet, relaxing, and nice and warm. We can just easily relax on the grass all day.
We indeed have to agree with you, Baby Shark. After the incredible celebration we attended last night, today is such the perfect day to catch up on getting enough rest so we can be wide awake to play again.
Speaking of that, what type of activity should we all do together on this very chillful day?
We honestly don't have a clue on what to do after we have our nice relaxations, but we should be able to think of something to do sooner or later. We just need a bit of a hint so we can make our decisions.
Well, as a matter of fact, you six, we may, possibly, have an idea on what activity all 9 of us can try out together.
The 3 of us were just thinking about this while we were going for a nice little walk, and we have decided that we should all go up a hill and roll like bowling balls all the way down to the bottom. What do you guys say of that?
That actually sounds like an excellent game to play on a nice day like this. Then we can reduce all our stress and anxieties out of us, and then we'll continue to be as cheerful as ever.
Well then, it looks like our decisions are final. So let's find a perfect hill around this park, and then we'll get our fun game on the road.
I think this should be the perfect hill to roll down on. Now I was thinking 1 or 2 of us can take turns each, and then we'll all roll down together at once.
We think this hill is also perfect enough as well, William. Now we can get this show on the road. Why don't you and Baby go first?
Why surely, Unikitty. We were even gonna ask you that question as well. So here goes nothing then. 3, 2, 1, take off.
Yahoo! Look at us. We're going so fast. We are not stopping. Sweet corn niblets.
Wow, that actually looks a lot of fun indeed. In fact, it looks so much fun that I will go next. Off we go.
Look, right, below. This ride down the hill is super epic. Yoo-hoo.
Watch out, fishies, kitties, and puppies. Here comes the speediest horse in all of Tarzan or Goat. Let's make some noise.
Step aside, every fishy. I'm about to make my starfish debut without getting myself all dirty. Let this fantabulous moment begin.
Now that you six have went, it is now time for the fabulous trio to take the stage. So, here I go. Stand back, you guys, cause the amazing Lil'Petey is coming your way.
Well, sis, it's now down to you. And then comes the big, grand finale. Now, let's rock this house.
What a wild ride this is, becoming best moment of the day.
Incredible. Now the gang's all here, which means it's time for all 9 of us to roll down to the bottom of the hill. Let's get flowing, my fishies.
Now this is the portion of the scheme we all have been waiting for. It's all leading up to this. Every fishy ready? Let's rock this house and roll our way to the bottom of this hill. Together, all at once. Yahoo!
That was such a fantastic ride we all have went on down the hill in the park.
We gotta agree with you, Chucks. We all giggled. We all laughed so hard that I may have a feeling we all got the wiggles.
And the best part is that none of us are even injured in the end. What a fun day this has become.
Well, you two, I guess this idea for rolling down the hill game was proven to become a success as a result. We got a recess. It had become such a great game over here that we could possibly give it another go in the future.
Say you six, is anyone up for a special game of prehistoric cavemen and cavewomen at this hour?
For sure, we're gonna give that game a yes in our votes. And we already got our uniforms, so it looks like our decisions are final.
So let's all find an empty spot around the park and get this prehistoric game on the road.